forward. Step forward. Kaylee, forward. 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 Swing. There's 1. 2.
What if people roar, sissy?
Oh, missed.
Do I get another?
1 more because you missed. Come on now, you got to actually hit it.
Birthday girl gets 5. Yeah.
All right. Almost.
I'm next.
All right, blindfold off.
Dad, you hit. I'm next.
Hey.
I'm next.
Help them.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit that thing.
Here, let me help you.
Mama, did you make that thing or something?
Kaylee, back up. All right, Madison. Swing. There's 1. Oh, you missed. 2.
The stick's bending.
3. All right. Next. That is a pretty tough shoe, ain't it?
Chewy, Huggy. Can I go in the pool? Can I go in the lake?
Not yet. Not unless you want candy.
Haley should have got 7.
Ready?
Because she turned 7. She's 7 today. Haley, watch it.
It'll be all right.
That's 1.
That's true.
Oh, keep going.
The stick's bending.
Get a good one?
Oh, almost. Try again.
Really?
2. 3.
Nice.
No, because Dad gets a whack at it too.
I think you got the aim for the hole. You got the aim for the hole.
Hey, back up, Madison. Back up.
You got the aim
Babe.
for the hole.
Babe, help. Here, Melanie. She's videotaping.
Okay.
Scoot up a little bit, Peggy. Right. 1 more step forward. Right there. Nope. No. No.
Where is it?
You're almost getting it. There's 1. 2. 3. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice, Peggy. That hurt my
That's how you beat a
That
piñata.
hurt my muscles.
I'm gonna get it.
Hey, eventually somebody's gonna hit this thing hard enough to knock the candy out of it.
Nobody's gonna get it like that. Nobody's gonna get it.
You think they'll be able to bust it open?
Oh yeah. 1. 2.
There you go. Hit it hard.
Oh, almost. 3. All right, that's it. Mason's turn.
Mason, no cheating.
What's your name?
No cheating, Mason.
Close your eyes. You see, you're demolishing them.
Hey, back up. Haley, back up, baby.
You better close your eyes.
Mason, step forward. Everybody else, back up.
Michael, back up.
Step forward another step. Right there.
Scoot over to the side.
1. Oh, step forward. 1 more step.
Sandra, watch it.
2. 3. What? No.
Haley, you're honoring.
I know, isn't she? Hang on, whoa, whoa! Back up a little bit.
Well, they can't see. You gotta tell them.
I know. Step forward, Gavin.
Back up a little bit. You're going to get hit in the face.
Everybody back up. Peggy, back up. Everybody needs to get back in line and get another turn.
So they can back up.
I didn't even get a turn.
Remember who you were at?
Emma, are you gonna get in line?
All right, Gavin, take 1 more step forward.
Huh?
1,
Emma.
2, 3.
I know you hit harder than that. So get back in line, buddy.
There you go, little boy.
Emma, are you gonna hit it?
Watch out, Emma. Don't get hit. Colin, step forward.
Get it. You have to get in line.
Forward.
Okay.
Go. No. Turn the other way a little bit. There you go.
He's aiming for you.
Swing. Here, hold on. Don't swing. Turn that way just a little bit. There you go. Now look.
Hit the high heel.
Right there.
Hit the high heel.
1. Keep going. Oh, I knew that was going to happen.
Nice.
Now what, Richard?
All right, I got another idea.
Ciao, Juju.
I only got 2.
Ciao, Juju.
Yeah, there's a hole in the top over here.
That's where you put the candy.
Got this under control.
All right.
One more hit.
When it falls
One
off
more
again,
hit.
I hope you got it under control.
All right, that's it.
That freaking stick is
Little kid. No, little kid.
Beanie, I was going to say, you're probably going to have to help her.
Wait till I drop this down.
My shorties.
Here, give Aunt Mandy your juice.
Yeah, you can't whack it with your juice. 2 hands, Emma.
2 hands.
Hold it with 2 hands and smack it.
Just a little bit.
Real hard, Emma.
There you go. Swing. 1.
2 hands, smack it real hard.
1 more. There you go. Matt, come up again.
I think she was embarrassed.
Hey, let the little girls go.
Juju, go get in line, buddy. You want to smack it? You have to stand in line and wait.
Yeah, he is.
Come over here, Emma. Or get back in line, one or the other.
Yeah, he does.
Emma, Juju.
Come here, Juju.
Get over here, Bob. You can hit it with the stud.
Ready? Swing hard.
1.
Do it again.
Ah!
Told you. I knew it.
Did it rip?
Haley, get back, sissy.
Put it back on, Gabby.
That was 1, 2. I hold you.
Come on.
Okay, 1 more.
Don't whack me.
Haley, 1. I can
Right.
1 more.
Put it back down.
Oh.
Hit it.
All right.
You might as well hang it from this, dude.
Everybody get a turn? That ain't
No, I didn't.
He did it.
All right, you're next.
Juju, go stand in line, Bob.
Ow.
All right, after this, Kaylee's hitting it without a mask.
Okay, can Juju hit it first?
Yes. Hey, wait a minute. Whoa, whoa. Juju, come here, buddy.
Gabby, back up. Back up, Gabby.
He will.
He's going after him.
Get whacked with it. Back.
Whoa.
Did I break it?
Nope.
Nope.
Yes.
Oh, someone get ready. I know.
Oh, I wish that was him. I wish he was.
Juju, you can hit it next, okay, buddy?
Hit it way up. Just keep getting right there.
Don't swing too hard now.
Okay.
This is just not working.
Wait.
Juju, it's your turn.
No. No, I don't want him to bust it open.
Juju wants to hit it.
I know, but Junior ain't got a hit yet.
Oh, little guy's got to get it.
It's Juju's turn. Minnie, will you help him?
Let my nephew do it.
Will you help him?
It's about to bust open.
I would, but I'm...
Do it without the blindfold. He's little enough.
Yeah.
Here, Bobby, go up there.
Come on, Bubby, come over here and
Go
smack it.
smack it, Juju.
Good job. Hit it again. Oh, almost.
Hit it. Ah!
He's too short.
Here. Now hit it.
There you go.
Hit it hard as you can. Hit
Hit it again.
Hit it one more time. One more time. All right.
Good job, buddy.
Nope, Kaylee.
Emma, get back.
Kaylee, no blindfold. Get over here and smack this thing open.
Come on, birthday girl. You got
Beat it
this.
open, Kaylee.
Let the candy fly.
Beat it like I stole a toy from you. Keep going.
Yeah, hit it
Beat
again.
it.
Yeah, hit it again.
Hit it again. Watch out, guys. Back up.
Back up, let her knock it
Back up. Let her beat it all out. Madison, back up.
Haley, get back.
Beat it.
Come on, Kaylee, hit it.
Keep going.
Smack the candy out of
Hit
it.
it again. Hit it again.
Come
Hit it
on.
again. One
You
more
want all the
time.
candy out of it.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
That's why I
Will.
wanted to put the
Get you
cart
some
down.
candy, Juju.
William, do you want to get back?
Yeah, bury your top.
Yay.
Hey, can you grab that?
Bag to put your candy in there.
Get you some candy, Juju. Yeah, he's just like, I don't even know.
Your pop's gone. Somebody's getting it.
Here, Julie.
Make some more stuff.
All right, Richard, are we done with this? How do I stop it?
Push the picture.
Okay, that's enough. Please.